VP Chiwenga breaks silence on SB Moyo's mysterious death. Sarapina mashoko atoka na VP Constantino Chiwenga aiwa for the wedding ya his ally SB Moyo's son. So wedding to both subscribe or like on the bell icon team now na community. Against this backdrop, Chiwenga's remarks at the wedding carried heavy symbolic weight. In quotes, I want to reflect a little on my relationship with the late former Minister of Foreign Affairs and International Trade, Lieutenant General Sibusiso SB Moyo. Chiwenga said, we enjoyed a cordial relationship from our military service into public service. It was founded on mutual trust, respect, and integrity. It transited professional life into brotherhood. We became family. He described himself as both a guest of honor and a father figure to the newlyweds. Chiwenga avoided overt political references, instead offering faith-based and personal counsel to the couple. In quotes, be each other's strength in times of weakness, celebrate together in joy, comfort one another in sorrow, and stand united through thick and thin, he said. Marriage, like life, has seasons of sunshine and storms. With Christ at the center, no challenge is insurmountable. Quoting Philippians 4:13, he urged them to anchor their union in faith, forgiveness, open communication, and mutual respect. A happy family is built through daily acts of kindness, sacrifice, and unwavering commitment. Marriage is a journey, not a destination, Chiwenga added. The ceremony was attended by several senior political and military figures, including Defense Minister Pamchunguri Kashiri, Energy Minister Julai Moyo, Deputy President of the Senate Lieutenant General retired Mike Nyambuya, and the Zimbabwe Defense Forces Commander General Emmanuel Matatu, alongside other services. Toma developments arambuda pangwa ino. Tuze mafunguro aimo tulipa msuru pichitko ichi. So subscribe or like, catch it on the bell icon.